So I dey send this message to we the Sierra Leoneans there, we na peaceful Sierra Leoneans there. We two brothers there, they do as a police officers there now. They can meet this man in shop say, and they can shout in shop. Behold, they get the TM, then they put it in their pocket them. So then the man say, before na they shout in the shop, he say shout yourself first before you can inside the shop. So as he allow for let shout himself, he pull good TM in his pocket. I be go even at the man shop, Megi and Kombo. This is happen at Free Street when na Friday today. When at the 20th, so now in this happen. So do allow be careful. Anytime police man go shout you, allow first, may in shouting self before you enter na you house or your shop. Do ya? They were all active man. A government there against the one that only do the criminal habits that the policeman there. When nobody no ever know who side they come out. So my government self aware about this, and then let this message pass viral. Do ya let government put out to stop so then people have to go and give people a combo.